Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 crafts that you can do in 2024. They are felt fabric crafts. They are very easy to make and very fun. The first one is felt mushrooms. They are so easy to make and fun to make. You need red, green, and yellow felt. You also need white felt, and you also need some white yarn to make these, but you can use any color that you want. And you also need a cardboard box to put these, and this one can be used as a decoration in your house, or you can use this as a toy for your kids. This is very nice and I really like it. The second craft that you can make in 2024 using felt fabric is radish. So these are very easy to make. All you need is green, red felt, and white and green felt. So you can make this very easily. If you are interested on how to make this, check out my video. I'm going to link it in the description below. This is a craft that you can do in under 5 minutes. The fourth craft that you can do in 2024 is cucumber. So you can easily make these cucumbers using felt fabric and some yellow thread and yellow yarn. You also can make this in under 5 minutes. It's very easy, and I'm going to link the video on how to make this in the description below. Making cucumbers, I was inspired to make cucumber slices. So here is the fourth craft. These are also very easy to make. I made these in under 3 minutes. Very easy. You need white felt, light green felt, and dark green felt. So these ones go along with the cucumbers. If you are interested in making this, I'm also going to link the video on how to make this in the description below. Please check it. The fifth and last craft to make in 2024 using felt fabric is bell peppers. They are so easy to make. You also need green felt, light green felt, and dark green felt, red and green. You can also make yellow ones. If you have yellow felt, you can use yellow ones and make these. These are very cute and nice. I also made this in under 5 minutes. If you are interested in making this, you can check the video in the description below. So here are 5 creative sewing crafts that you can do in 2024 They are very easy to make and you can make them under a very low budget. Please like, share and subscribe my video. It helps me grow my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. Basa nikuona. Thank you for watching. Mite kurete arigato. See you. Bye. Red and yellow crab.